Hello and welcome, I'm Nicola from Perun Moto, and today we will show you how to install Mosko Moto Reckless 10 V4 with stiff composite base on Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally with our top luggage rack and Gen 2 tie-down brackets. We'll be using Gnoblin system, and for this bag we suggest using the front hole for this. Make sure to use spacers. This will make the fit much better. We already installed the Gnoblin on the bags, so installation is really 5-second procedure. Just hook it and use this C-hook quick disconnect to install the straps. Tighten, don't fully tighten yet until you do the other side too. So just place the straps inside the C-hook, and now you can tighten both sides. Then we need to secure these loose ends, which is easy with the Velcro hooks here. Make sure to tighten this bolt, which will prevent from rattling, and make sure to secure the loose end on the other side too. As you can see, the installation is really quick and easy. Bags are enough to carry spare tire, tools and some rain gear. This is perfect for rough off-road riding because the bags are not getting in the way even on the roughest terrain, and they sit very close to the bike. One of the additional features of this system is that this can act as a cushion pillow, so in the case of a fall, I found this system to be best protection for your bike. Removing the bags is also very easy. You can just loosen the lower straps and quickly pull them out. I will do the same on the other side, and then just undo this bolt and remove the bags. Thank you for watching and see you soon.